Hey guys! Okay, so Aaron's gonna do the intro, aka Eddie. Okay, he's gonna do the intro. Okay, go. Okay, what is he gonna do? Is he done? Oh. Hi. Okay, this is Candy. Oh, so cute. And by the way, guys, hi guys, it's me, Jillian, and today we're with the squad, aka with Aaron and Candy and me, which is I call the sweet bananas. The sweet bananas. Yeah, I call this. Welcome to the sweet bananas. Hey guys, welcome to the banana squad. Yes, banana squad. So I just bought a house and let's go. Come inside. Don't ask me why I have a ball in my hand. Still eat this. Anyways, so this is my house. Very pink. Yeah, I know. And this is the upstairs. What's this room? So I think Candy and Bull wanted to go to this room. Oh. Okay, then the other room must be for me, right? Yeah, it's mine. So, oh shoot, wrong one. Oh, oops. Okay, this was weird, super weird, same time. So, I think someone's at, what is my house? What is my house? What is it? The hell? I know, it says go in. So, I think my room is here. Nope, not this one. I'm really so lost. Oh, this is my room. Yes, it's super small, but worth it. So, yeah, let's go. Okay, guys, so today we're gonna get some groceries, so be back. Let's go. Let me just cut the clip. Okay, guys, so we got the groceries. Okay, guys, so I'ma just pick this all up and put it in the fridge. Wait. Hi, guys, as you can see, Bull is still putting up the fridge. Oh, cereal. We need that. We need the cereal. Okay, I think Candy's giving you guys the cereal, so here's you guys food. And by the way, me and all of my friends are gonna call you guys Little Banana. So here you all Little Bananas. Have you guys your cereal? Eat it, yum. So Candy's giving you guys your cereal, so you guys have it. Okay, so today we're having dinner. So yeah, we are having dinner again. Tags. Grilled meat. Okay. Guys, pose. Meat. Okay. Okay. Anyways, guys. So yeah. Anyways, guys, while me and Candy are waiting for the food, please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell button to not miss any videos in my channel. And by the way, it's free to unsubscribe, so yeah. So yeah, while we're gonna wait, just gonna like, um, by the way, we are going to like, oh, diamond cereals. Diamond cereals. Okay, so we're gonna wait for the food. So yeah. So yeah, the food is already ready. So where is the food plate? Oh yeah, I forgot. There's no spoon, so okay. So yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna wash the dishes. So yeah, I'll be back. Okay, guys. So I'm just gonna sleep at my room. And by the way, see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys, and I think I'm gonna vlog alone today because Candy and Bull left. So yeah, today we're going to the park. So like yeah, I'm just change. Ta-da! So today we are going to the park. So let's go. Eh, oh, forgot. Unlock the door. Boom. So it's currently 10 outside. Okay, so yeah. So guys, that is the end of the video because I need to go in a few minutes. So yeah, bye.